Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to save videos in Reddit. Now let's begin. Log in to your Reddit account if you already have not. Once you have logged in, you will find yourself in the dashboard or the index page. Let us scroll down to find a video that we would like to save. I want to save this video. Now, what to do? At the bottom of this tab, you will find Comments, Share and Save. Simply click on the share icon and there you have it. Your video is saved. Now you want to unsave it. What to do? Simply click on the Save button, now the Unsave button, and there you have it. You can simply unsave this as well. Now the question is, where to view your saved videos? Well, worry not. Simply go to your profile and on the menu bar, go to Saved. You will find your saved videos here. Similarly, you can save photos, posts and any such. Well, that's it for the video guys. That is how you save videos in Reddit. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.